Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Studio4U. This video is about comparison of national fruits from different countries of the world. So let's start. National fruit of United States is blueberries. National fruit of United Kingdom is apple. National fruit of Switzerland is raspberry. National fruit of United States is apple. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. National fruit of Pakistan is mangoes. From which country you are watching our video? Tell us in the comment section below. National fruit of Denmark is strawberry. Next one, Japan. National fruit of Japan is peach. Which fruit is your favorite? Tell us in comment section below. National fruit of Singapore is durian. Which fruit is from your country? Share with us in comment section below. National fruit of China is watermelon. National fruit of Norway is cloudberries. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. National fruit of Sweden is strawberry. And the national fruit of Saudi Arabia is dates. National fruit of Luxembourg is MIRABELLE plum. Which fruit do you like the most? Share with us in comment section below. National fruit of India is mango. Next one, Austria. National fruit of Austria is apricot. Blueberries are the national fruit of Canada. These are national fruits from different countries of the world. National fruit of Finland is cloudberries. The national fruit of Australia is wattle seed. Thanks for watching our video.